What was the inspiration for this project?
Well, when looking into institutions that lack resources, many of them do not have the means of access to the elite sports coaching. Us at AthleteAI aim to organize information about correct techniques and make it universally available. What does AthleteAI do?
A user will upload a brief video showcasing their form and technique for any sport. Our algorithm, utilizing computer vision, will then assess their posture and form and compare it with pre-established models. The system will then produce an analytical breakdown of how their form measures up relative to the standard for movement for that particular sport. Based on that data, users will receive recommendations on how they can improve and enhance their form so that they can perform better in whatever activity they are doing.
How was AthleteAI built?
AthleteAI was built with a combination of computer vision and deep learning techniques. We use these techniques in order to track the user's movements as well as compare them to our example movements from professionals. This way we can see how close the user is to the optimal level of performance that they should be achieving.
What are the next steps for AthleteAI?
Right, so the next step is to deploy on the cloud so that everyone can use our app. Also, we want to make an iOS and Android app so that people can use it really easily from their phones. And finally, we want to make the algorithm better and make it accessible to everyone for free so that high school coaches and just like sports coaches all around can use this for their students and for even professionals, all for free.
Can you give us a demonstration of AthleteAI?
Sure, come over here.
Okay, welcome to our demo. So here you can see our landing page and we have some information about AthleteAI, and you can click this button and it'll take you down here and it'll show you some about like how AthleteAI works and some of the metrics we use in our analysis. And now we can come back up here and get started. And you can see we have a wide array of different sports and exercises that you can use to be analyzed on. So let's just pick basketball. And here we have a picture of how we should be angling our camera when we submit our video, as well as a button to upload our video. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's our video. So now we can confirm our video, select a different video, and we don't actually have a basketball. So that's all we have. Press confirm video, and now give it a second and it will perform its analysis. Here we have my accuracy compared to the optimal basketball shooting form. And we can also see the wireframe of where it was collecting data from. Each of these points represent a data point that we use. As well as, these graphs represent my body movement compared to the ideal body movement. So we can see here that, so in these graphs, the blue path is the ideal trajectory of each of these different body parts. And the yellow path is the path that my body took. And these numbers are showing how similar the two trajectories were to each other. So you can see I had a very close left arm angle and bend, and we can also see a tooltip here showing that. And if we look at like my left leg and my this left side of my waist, we can see that we're getting some insight on how I can improve those aspects of this exercise. And the same for the rest of these. Thank you so much for watching, and this was AthleteAI.